Living in areas prone to hurricanes and extreme weather, like many parts of Florida, Texas, and other coastal regions, comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most vulnerable parts of your home during a storm is your windows. High winds, flying debris, and torrential rain can quickly compromise your home's safety and comfort. To ensure your home is adequately protected, it's crucial to recognize when it's time to replace your current windows with impact-resistant hurricane windows. In this article, we'll cover the top signs that indicate it's time to upgrade to impact-resistant windows and why investing in these hurricane-rated windows will provide peace of mind, better protection, and long-term savings for your home. Visible signs of damage or wear. One of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your windows is the presence of physical damage. If your windows have visible cracks, chips, or broken seals, they may no longer provide the necessary protection against strong winds and debris during a hurricane. Even if the damage seems minor, it can compromise the window's integrity, making it easier for wind and water to enter your home. Impact-resistant hurricane windows are specifically designed to withstand flying debris and high winds. They are made from laminated glass with a tough interlayer that holds the glass together, preventing shattering. If your windows have sustained damage or are showing signs of age, it's time to invest in windows that can better protect your home during storm season. Frequent drafts or temperature inconsistencies. If you notice that certain rooms in your home feel drafty or your energy bills seem unusually high, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer sealed properly. Over time, window seals can degrade, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. These gaps reduce your window's energy efficiency and can make it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Impact-resistant hurricane windows are designed to provide a much tighter seal than older or damaged windows. Not only do they prevent air drafts, but they also offer better insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round. With their superior thermal performance, impact-resistant windows help you maintain the perfect indoor temperature while saving on energy costs. Older windows with outdated technology. Older windows often lack the modern technologies and materials that provide adequate protection during extreme weather events. For example, windows installed many years ago may not be up to current building codes or standards for hurricane resistance. The glass might be thinner, and the frame might not be reinforced to withstand the intense pressure and impact of a hurricane. Impact-resistant hurricane windows are built with advanced materials that can stand up to the forces of nature. They are designed to meet or exceed hurricane building codes and offer superior storm protection compared to older window models. If your windows are outdated, upgrading to modern hurricane-resistant windows is a proactive way to protect your home and loved ones during a storm. Increased noise from the outside. If you live in a high-traffic area, near an airport, or close to a busy street, you may notice that outdoor noises, such as cars, construction, or airplanes, seem louder than they used to be. This could be a sign that your windows are no longer doing their job of blocking external sound. Impact-resistant windows can help reduce noise pollution by incorporating thicker glass and sound-dampening layers that block out external sounds. While their primary purpose is to protect your home from hurricanes, these windows also provide the added benefit of improved sound insulation, making your home a quieter and more peaceful environment. If noise reduction is important to you, upgrading to impact-resistant hurricane windows is an effective solution. Aesthetic or functional upgrade. Sometimes, the need to replace your windows may not be driven by damage or poor performance but by aesthetic or functional preferences. If your windows are outdated in appearance or difficult to operate, it might be time for an upgrade. Impact-resistant windows come in a variety of styles and materials that can enhance your home's curb appeal and overall design. These windows are available in numerous configurations, such as casement, double-hung, or sliding windows, and they can be customized to match your home's architecture. By upgrading to impact-resistant hurricane windows, you can improve both the appearance and functionality of your windows, making your home more attractive and easier to maintain. Home renovation or remodeling project. If you're undergoing a home renovation or remodeling project, it might be the perfect time to replace your old windows with impact-resistant hurricane windows. Whether you're adding an extension, updating your home's design, or improving energy efficiency, new windows can play an integral role in achieving your renovation goals. Replacing your old windows with hurricane-rated windows during a renovation ensures that your home is well equipped to withstand severe weather in the future. It also adds value to your property by improving its storm resilience, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. During a remodeling project, it's easy to incorporate the latest window technology for long-term protection and performance. Living in a hurricane-prone area. If you live in a region that is prone to hurricanes, like Florida, Texas, or coastal areas, it's crucial to have impact-resistant windows installed, regardless of the age or condition of your current windows. Even if your windows are in good shape, they may not be able to withstand the fierce winds and flying debris that come with a hurricane. The cost of replacing windows may seem high initially, but it's a worthwhile investment in protecting your home and minimizing potential damage. Impact-resistant hurricane windows provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is safeguarded against the elements. They are designed to protect against high winds, flying debris, and water damage, which makes them a must-have for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas. Conclusion: protect your home with impact-resistant hurricane windows. Upgrading to impact-resistant hurricane windows is one of the best ways to protect your home from the dangers of extreme weather. If you've noticed signs like visible damage, increased drafts, outdated window technology, or external noise, it may be time to replace your old windows with hurricane-rated windows. These windows not only provide enhanced storm protection but also improve energy efficiency, privacy, and sound insulation. Whether you live in a hurricane-prone area or just want to upgrade your home for better protection, impact-resistant hurricane windows are an investment that ensures your home's safety and value for years to come.